Not bad, ChatGPT, but you forgot the most important part. Today, I'm putting ChatGPT to the ultimate test. Can it score a band 9 in IELTS Speaking Test Part 1? Let's start easy. Do you enjoy cooking?
Yeah, I do enjoy cooking. It's a great way to unwind, and I love trying out new recipes. Plus, it feels rewarding to make something delicious from scratch.
But you forgot the most important part. Complaining about washing the dishes afterward.
Oh, right, the dishes. Yeah, cooking is fun, but the pile of dishes afterward? Not so much. It's the one part of cooking I could definitely do without.
While it is acceptable to use informal language in the IELTS speaking test, it is generally recommended to avoid using yeah and other filler words. You may say yeah to a friend, but you should say yes to an examiner. What is your favorite dish, by the way?
My favorite dish has to be spaghetti carbonara. It's creamy, comforting, and has just the right amount of richness. Plus, it's quick to make, which is always a bonus.
What ingredients do you need to cook your favorite dish?
For spaghetti carbonara, you'll need spaghetti, eggs, pecorino romano cheese, pancetta or guanciale, black pepper, and a bit of salt. Simple ingredients, but they come together to make something amazing.
What do you usually do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to read books, especially science fiction and fantasy. I also enjoy going for walks or hikes to get some fresh air and clear my mind.
Really? No scrolling through Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or watching Netflix?
Oh, you caught me. Along with all those other hobbies, I definitely spend some time scrolling through social media and catching up on my favorite shows. It's a nice way to relax and stay entertained.
What TV shows do you prefer?
I enjoy a mix of genres, but I have a soft spot for sci-fi and fantasy shows. Series like Stranger Things or The Expanse really draw me in. But I also love a good comedy or drama to balance things out.
Do you think technology has made life easier or more difficult?
I think technology has definitely made life easier in many ways. It allows us to connect with others, access information instantly, and automate mundane tasks. However, it can also make life more complicated with issues like information overload and reduced privacy. But on balance, I'd say it's more of a help than a hindrance.
Alright, next question. Do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I love traveling. It's exciting to explore new places, experience different cultures, and try various foods. Each trip feels like a new adventure, full of memorable experiences.
So does ChatGPT have the fluency and coherence to score a band 9? In my opinion, yes. Pronunciation was flawless. Answers were clear and well structured. Realism? Yeah, I would say so. Grammar is perfect. Answers were neither too long nor too short. So I didn't have to interrupt ChatGPT. In this case, ChatGPT provided both the pros and the cons of modern technologies. The IELTS speaking test is a conversation with an examiner. It is best to use formal and polite style. IELTS speaking part 1 is like a speed dating with an examiner. It's all about short and, most important, natural answers to personal questions, where clarity, vocabulary and fluency steal the show. So can ChatGPT score a band 9? Technically yes, but let's face it, it's not just about answering the questions. It's about sounding human. And remember, the examiner is human, so speak like one. Do you want to know how to score a band 9 without sounding like a robot? If so, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos about IELTS. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.